Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming safety and the correct blade. A dull or loose blade causes tear out or kickback, so tighten the arbor and confirm rotation direction. Once done, set blade depth so one tooth clears the bottom of the board. This reduces drag and improves accuracy. Make sure to clamp the work firmly and align the saw base with your pencil line. You will position yourself so your weight is balanced, with the saw's cord clear of the cut path before. With everything secured, power on the saw and wait until it reaches full speed. This prevents stalling and uneven cuts. You will start at the edge and ease the blade into the cut, feeding at a steady pace so teeth cut cleanly rather than tearing the fiber. Make sure the base plate stays flat against the material to maintain a straight kerf. If you need a long straight cut, clamp a straight edge guide to the work and run the saw against it for consistent results. When you finish, release the trigger and keep the saw resting until the blade stops spinning, lifting early risks snagging. Next, inspect the cut edge for burn marks or tear out. These indicate dull blade, excessive feed rate, or improper depth. If the saw binds, produces kickback, or wanders, immediately cut power and examine the blade for damage or pitch buildup, verify blade alignment and bevel settings, and ensure the workpiece is fully supported. Then correct the issue before retrying the cut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.